Yeah, so it's on a Monday, guys, 8th April 2024. And of course, I'm going to try to see if we can get signals. But guys, on my watch list, I have three pairs that I was looking out for, and they're kind of looking amazing, So let me just explain. Okay, number one, card CHF. You see how the price is looking so amazing. So the reason why I'm saying it's looking so amazing, look at this. The market is giving us lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. You see, like that is, and in short, it's moving down. Okay, it's in a downtrend, but at the same time, we see that kind of the market just took out this downtrend of ours. So it doesn't mean that since the market has taken out that downtrend, doesn't mean we are changing, from sales to buys. No, we need to understand levels or key areas that this market might, try to target the next. So which is this level right here. So this is based on the date. Okay. So let's go to the H4. Okay, now on the H4 we understand that there's also this trend right here. I can say that that is just a correction, okay, a bearish flag, a bigger version. So impulse, I believe this is just a bigger version of a bearish flag. The market might do this, that is when it decides, to drop. Okay, so now let's go and understand what these markets are doing around this correction pattern or correction thing. So when we try to zoom in right over here, we understand, okay, price dropped. Let me just remove this. So all this drop, I call this just an impulse. So we need to look for bearish property. Okay, that is continuation pattern. And now we have a level right here. This is a support zone. So we see that kind of the market broke out of that level. So right now we see that this market is moving up. Okay, so there are two places that we need to watch out for: this level, this support and resistance, and also this resistance level right here. So if this market or price continues breaking out of this resistance, the next target that we should be looking out for is this zone. Okay, so this is where we should maybe try to catch a reversal structure and take our sale position, which might be amazing thing, guys, taking it from here. So we hopefully think, we need to be hopefully or hopeful that this market, continues going all the way up for us to take that sale position in a better market price. Okay, I call it a best price level. Okay, but if it doesn't target this level, we need to maybe look for sell properties right here. So let's go to the 1 hour. Okay, right. So now onto the H1, I see that there's this level right here. Price kind of consolidated for a while. So you see I've placed an alert right here. So if price takes out this low, then I'm going to take a sell position. But if it continues going up, which I'm just hoping that it continues going up, for me to take a sell right here, because if it does that, guys, look at this, it might get a head and shoulder pattern, which might be an amazing thing, guys. So fingers crossed, guys. Let this market touch this level. But I don't have a problem, guys. Even if it takes this low, I'll still take a sell position right here, which is 61 pips. But for a maximum gain, guys, 91 pips right here, that might be a good position. Okay, so I'll have an alert right here and an alert right here. So if it triggers either one, I'll need to come back to the market, try to figure out where that alert was triggered. Okay, so from then I'll now need to look out for reversal structure. So let me look out to the next one is GBP AUD. So right here I'll do this. Let me take it back to the to the daily. Okay, now based on the daily time frame, you see that we had already a head and shoulder that gave us a sign for a bearish market. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So we see an impulse, correction, impulse. So I'm expecting this market to give us that continuation pattern before we drop based on the daily. So let's go to the H4. All right, now based on the H4, kind of see that the market is now printing those bearish property. We have the bearish flag, which is an amazing thing. So what I'll need, just to be patient, guys, will let the market play hard to get, give us a second touch, goes up, a third touch, or respect that or reject, because most people will be taking their buy properties or buy position. Then that's when I take my sell position. Bear in mind, we might be getting a head and shoulder, left shoulder, the head, and a right shoulder right there. But now when we go to the H1, we see that the market is printing a double top, which I'm not going to fall in for that. Okay, so you see right here the market already gave us a double top. Okay, that's why it's dropping, but I'm not going to take any sell position right now, because let's see, if I do this, something like this, okay, of course my stop loss will be above that. So I'm still anticipating that this market is going to touch this, then respect that trend that I just drew, goes up, takes me out, that's when it might drop. But for now, I'm not going to fall in for that kind of manipulation. So let me just wait on GBP Aussie for sales. I'm not going to do anything. And Aussie USD right here, Aussie USD, take it back to the daily. Okay, generally this is a selling market. Okay, if we understand that that's the selling market, remember, let me show you, there's an impulse correction, so I'm expecting all this to be an impulse all the way down. Okay, so if we have that kind of a play, then this might be an impulse. This is a bearish flag correction for the market to continue its journey down. Okay, so let's go to the lower time frame and understand this kind of a pattern. Okay, let's go to the H4, something like this. Zoom out. Okay, now based on H4, we understand, okay, there's a kind of a behavior that I'm seeing. The market is doing this. Okay, went up, respected, it's kind of giving me an inverse head and shoulder. So if it takes out this high, let me show you this one, then if you want to scalp, you might scalp that 40 pips. But for a sell position, let the market take out this low. Okay, so just as you watch this video, guys, you need to compare with your own strategy, your analysis, guys. You need to do your own analysis. Don't just watch this video then open your positions, guys. You need to be safe, guys. Okay, it's either we buy or it's either we sell. So we just react to what the market is doing. That's based on H4. So when we hit H1, you kind of see that inverse head and shoulder thing. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder went up. So guys, the market is also crazy. It might give out false print, and that is when it reverses on you. So watch out, guys. Okay, so I believe you guys understood that short video. And 3 pairs, these are just, I believe so. 3 pairs not bad for you guys to to hold on to this week, guys. Like for example, GBP Aussie has a potential of up to 200 pips, guys. If you hold 200 pips and you scale in, I believe that's going to be an amazing run, because this one is going to limit you from taking too much trades. Okay, 3 pairs not bad. Even if one of them plays out, or it's not bad, because holding them the whole week, scaling in as you just manage your trades might be a good thing, instead of just waking up every morning try to figure out all the pairs. Every day different pair, every day different pair. So that might make you to have so many unnecessary losses. Okay, so I believe this might be a good one. So CAD CHF is looking way too good. I believe it might play out before the others do. Okay, I like how that candlestick is doing. Let it continue pushing all the way up, which is an amazing thing. But even if it doesn't push all the way up, no problem, I still have the levels marked, so 2 traps ready for it. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys learned from this short video, and also check out my Telegram link in the description box below. And I might give out one of these trade signals, but definitely I'm going to give out the signals when they're ready on my premium group, that is the VIP. And also, if you want to get a mentorship, guys, I'm still having an amazing offer. Check out my Telegram link, guys, and stay safe, and adios, mi amigos. Peace.